but you have to prepare before that what you want to be. There should be some vision in the mind that I want to become like this. See, then we have to see and we have to make a path towards to that. That is more important. First, you have to prepare one goal, what you want to be. Become like an engineer, or become like a lawyer, or become a commerce graduate, or become a chartered accountant, or become you become like a other any streams, whatever you do. But I suggest to students, you just identify yourself first, that what exactly you have the caliber towards to your goal. That is more important. Because in every sector there is a different streams out there. So if you want to choose, you are a commerce guy, so you want to choose some BCom, suppose. You studied plus 2 in the commerce. And BCom you want to do, then what is the further studies also you have to think before that. Like me, if you are postgraduate, or you want to go with CA, Chartered Accountant, or ICWA, or CS, you have so many streams are there. First you have to choose. So then you can approach towards to that. I suggest to all of you first, you go with, first decide that which stream you want to be. Like commerce, arts, management, or engineering, or any other liberal arts. So many are, nowadays the programs are changing day by day. See, once upon a time we are offering like commerce, management, engineering, it's like a common courses. Now if you see the fashion technology, there is different courses are upcoming. So one more thing that I suggest to all, that this year again new education policies come, that is called NEP, and government want to implement that. So before that you should know what is new education policy also. Otherwise you will be in the disturbed. You have prepared one stream like in the olden days, only 3 years degree and 4 years engineering. That is the stream we are used to study.
To discuss all the programs available, क्योंकि आप एक पे जाएं, बाकी को भी देख लें कि उसमें टीचर क्या है, कैसा है, तो आपके लिए आसान होगा, आप इस प्रोग्राम के लिए सोच रहे हैं.
Yeah, definitely. That's what I want to say.
We take up a question rather we I start my own. So who will ask the first question? Yes. Yes.
So would you please elaborate the new
education policy आपको elaboration चाहिए?
वो बहुत मुश्किल है इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे बताना, क्योंकि उसमें एक भी चीजें ऐसी होंगी ना जो उसमें बहुत लंबा समय लगेगा. रैदर मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा प्रोफेसर की तरफ से कि आप उसको एजुकेशन जो पोर्टल है उनसे डाउनलोड कर लें. प्रॉब्ली 50, 60, 70, 80 पेज का होगा, राइट, शायद उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो उसमें जो आपको थोड़ा लगे आप पढ़ लीजिए. अगर प्रोफेसर एलिब्रेट करेंगे तो कल सुबह आप घर चले जाइएगा. राइट प्रोफेसर, सो कुछ और